Hello kids, today we will draw a cute pizza. So let's start. First draw a long line, like this. Draw a pointed shape, like this. Well done, now draw a little curved line and connect it. Draw it like a triangle. Good job! Draw a big curved line and make the pizza outer part. Draw the another like and connect it to the tip of the pizza. Look how cute the pizza is looking. Now draw a curved line on pizza side. Good job! Now draw the pizza topping. Draw some round shape on pizza. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Just draw like me, and it will look very cute. You can also draw the toppings differently. Now let's draw a cute face. First draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing. First draw the circle. Then slowly fill the color. Lastly, draw a cute, happy smile. Let's make the pizza more cute. Draw a big heart shape on the left side. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, now draw another heart shape on the right side also. Good job! We complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use red color on heart shape. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Well done! Now use red color on the right heart. Color very carefully and slowly. We complete the heart shape. Now let's color the pizza. First use brown color on outside the pizza base. Color the outline very slowly and don't make any mistake. Color very carefully outside the eye. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now use cream color on lower part of pizza. Color the outline and slowly fill the color. Now use yellow color and color the pizza inside. Also use different colors you like. Use different colors and make your own creation. We are coloring the cheese part of the pizza. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Look how delicious it's looking. Now color the pizza toppings. Use orange color and color the outline. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color step by step, and it will look very cute. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Color all the 4 topping and it's done. Well done. Now use light orange color and make some dots on the pizza topping. Just draw some random dots and look how delicious it's looking. Now let's draw some veggies. Use green color and make small line. Draw some line here and there. And it's done. Good job. Now use purple color on pizza. Draw some big dot and make the olive. Draw some round shape and look how cute it's looking. It's looking very delicious. Lastly, use white color and make the pizza shiny. First, draw a big round circle on the eyes. Good job. Now draw circles on the other eye also. Draw big and small shape like this. Lastly, draw a curved line on pizza side. Well done. We complete the drawing. Look how cute and delicious it's looking. If you like pizza, then click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.